This is how Sharpie gets down from a ladder. Alright, Sharpie, follow me. Follow me. No, come here. Good boy. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Good boy. Good boy. Atta boy. Here I just have some lab block. And oh, good buddy. Here you go. Want to say hi to the camera? Good boy. Let's see what he hides. Sharpie.